Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make some Swiss steak. And the first thing we have to do is dredge the cube steaks in a little bit of salt, pepper, and flour. So I'm just going to get my flour ready here. I've got some oil going here. It's pretty hot. Should be just about right. Okay, so I'm going to take our Swiss steak out, and it's not done cooking, but we're going to bake it now. I'm going to just put this in a plate so that I can mix the other ingredients together in this pan. And all this brown stuff, this is what's going to give us some good flavor here. So that's what you want. That's why you go to the trouble of browning the meat, is to get that good extra beefy flavor. Okay, so I'm going to put 2.5 cups of beef broth. You could use beef stock too. I'm going to put a can of cream of mushroom soup. And a package of onion soup mix. You want to kind of scrape those bits off the bottom of the pan so they help make the gravy really good. And that soup doesn't have to be completely mixed in. That's fine if you have little bits that aren't heated through yet enough to get melted down. Okay, so that is ready. I'm going to put the Swiss steaks back in. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about 2 hours. We'll check it. I'm going to put it in at 325. We'll see how it does in 2 hours. If it's not ready yet, we'll give it another half an hour. Okay, here's our Swiss steak fresh out of the oven. It's super tender, it's delicious. It is so good and really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.